That's what she said.
When you think of Tokyo, you think bright lights, colorful street fashion, and busy city life. But amongst all that Tokyo is stereotypically said to be, there are hidden gems close by that are waiting to be explored. Daikanyama is one of those places, with their trendy shops, vibrant boutiques, and heaps amount of local cafes and westernized atmosphere. Not only that, Daikanyama is a great place to take a date. Daikanyama is crowned as Tokyo's Little Brooklyn, and just a 20-minute walk from Shibuya Station, as well as connected to Nakameguro. Don't forget to swing by the Meguro River in the springtime to see the blooming cherry blossom trees. If you don't want to walk, you can take the Tokyo Toyoko line from Shibuya. It's only one stop away, really easy to get to. There is so much to see and do, but we pinpointed some of the most popular places to eat, as well as a little historical sightseeing. Keep watching this video for other notable places to visit and see.
Hey guys, I'm in Daikanyama today. Daikanyama is basically the New York of Japan. They have a lot of really trendy shops here, lots of great food places. So we're going to walk around and check out what they have today. Let's go!
The best thing about Tokyo are its hidden off-the-beaten-path shrines and historical buildings. Lucky enough, Daikanyama had just that. We visited the Asakura House, which was built in 1919 as a private residence for politician Tojiro Asakura.
This is like one of the rooms to the Asakura House. It's the meeting room apparently. See, like the wood is really old and the tatami mats are a little bit darker, so you can just tell that this house is very dated. It's really cool to explore a house like this.
This building was said to have withstood the intensity of the Great Kanto earthquake and survived the war. It only costs 100 yen to see this beautiful structure along with the gardens behind it. There are more than 11 preserved rooms and a sense of peacefulness, helping you escape from the bustling city life. Observing the restaurants and fashionable cafes, one specific cafe that's worth visiting is known for its aesthetic, food, and drinks. For all of you Instagram lovers out there, Ink by Canvas is highly recommended. You can choose from several colorful drinks that don't all have caffeine in them.
So we're at a place called Ink right now, and it's super good for Instagram. I kind of sipped out of mine already, but if you look, like this is a sweet potato drink, and it has kind of like a hint of sweet potato. I really like sweet potato things, so I'm glad I got this one. Cup has a different color, like lipstick mark. They have different flavors. Yeah, it's just like a hot drink for the winter, so you guys should definitely check it out.
These standout blended concoctions are made with natural ingredients including pumpkin, sweet potato, beets, matcha green tea, and more. They have the best look for your next Instagram post. If you're looking for a little Western-style dining, Pizza Slice is a hit place to go on a casual date or day out with friends. This is one of the most popular pizza places in Tokyo. The pizza is as big as your face and New York style. It's only 500 yen for a slice and will keep you wanting more.
That's what she said.
Across the street is a restaurant called Cafe Habana, where you can get Cuban sandwiches and Cubanos coffee. After some cafe visiting and food hunting, other notable places to visit are Tea Site, which is the home of Tsutaya Bookstore, which has more than just books. They sell movies, music, and more coffee. Everything you need for a relaxing afternoon. If you'd like to find a quiet place to reflect, you can head to Saigoyama Koen and view Mount Fuji during sunset. It's also great for picnics in the spring or summer. We hope you liked this guide to Daikanyama. There is also a walking tour that I will link down below on TokyoCheapo's website, so please make sure you check that out. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Comment down below for any questions you have, and we'll see you guys in the next video.